It is easy to generate your own artistic image, even you are not an artist. You can convert the image to an NFT on OpenSea. In this bite-sized tutorial, I will show you how to do all this. There are a number of websites that can generate artistic images. One of these is Deep Dream Generator. Sign up a free account and go to Generate. You can upload your image by choose the base image. I have already uploaded one. If you don't have, you can click upload files. After this, you can choose one of the style image to apply to this base image. Here are some of the default styles. For example, the Van Gogh Starry Night, Van Gogh Wheat. If you want more styles, you can click on these popular styles. So there are all these styles that you can choose. So after this, you can generate by clicking on this icon. I have already generated one just now, and after this you can download the images, and next you can go to OpenSea. First, you log into your OpenSea using your crypto wallet. If you don't have a crypto wallet, you can install MetaMask crypto wallet on your Chrome browser. After this, you can click create and sign the signature request. Next, you will just follow these simple steps to create your NFT. So first, I will upload my images and give a name. I'll just say party, and if you have external link to this image, you can put it here, and you can write a description of your image. I'll just say party number 1, and you can choose a collection. So previously I have already create a collection called Deep Dream Generated Image. I'll choose this, and you can add some properties to your image. For example, the background color or the size, whatever. I don't have, I'll just leave it blank. Levels and stacks you can skip. Unlockable content, you can just leave it off. Explicit and sensitive content, you can leave it off. If this is a unique NFT, you can put 1. If you're going to generate more copies, you can put more than 1. And over here, you have to choose your blockchain network. OpenSea offers 4 blockchains: Ethereum, Polygon, Can, and Solana. And if you want a free minted NFT, you can choose Polygon, and you can start to create your NFT by pressing create. So you just take 1 or 2 minutes to create your NFT. So your NFT has already created. You can take a look at your NFT. So you can look at the details. This is the contract for your NFT. you can click on the contract. It will bring you to the polygon scan, and this is the details of your contract. And this is the token ID where you store the location of your NFT. Alright, and the blockchain is Polygon. So if you want to list your NFT for sales, you can click sell. You can put a price, maybe I'll just say 0.02 Ether, and the duration you can just put 1 day, 3 days, 7 days. I'll just put it 1 day for sales. And then you can click complete listing. And you got to sign. Okay. Let me see. Okay, sign your listing, and you can view your listing. Now your NFT is for sales for 0.02, and the sales will end in 24 hours. Anytime you want to cancel the listing, you can click cancel listing, and if you want to edit your NFT, you can click on edit. But once the NFT is sold, you will not be able to edit your NFT. This concludes the video on how to create NFT on OpenSea and how you can generate an artistic image using Deep Dream Generator. If you like this video, please comment below, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.